Beloved by many, Jamaican religious leaders join world in paying respect to Pope Francis, who died on Monday. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome to viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and those of you watching online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis. Also this evening, medical doctor dies after car plunges 150 feet in St. Mary. And later in the business news, DHL suspends high-value global shipments to the US over Trump tariffs. There's also sports and weather in this newscast, so stay with us. I'll have the news in detail right after this break.